To animate a float variable in Unity using C#, you can use the Mathf.Lerp function inside the update method of a mono-behavior script. Here's an example of how you can use it. In this example, the Animate Float script animates a float value between start value and end value over a duration of seconds. The script uses Mathf.Lerp to calculate the current value of the float based on how much time has passed since the animation started. The script then updates an object or component with the current value of the float. In this example, the script updates the position of a transform, but you can use this same technique to animate any float value in Unity. Let us run the game and check results. As you can see, the sphere GameObject changes its transform with time. The script has been made available with link in description below. We have covered everything for this tutorial. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel for more fun videos and stay tuned for more. Thanks for watching.